I promised in the previous video, I'm gonna follow this tutorial to deploy the MCP servers. MCP server using AgentCore runtime. It's a solution from AWS to build a serverless MCP server. Okay, first of all, I already got all the code here. I just added some of them. I'm going to show you. The first script is to set up the Cognito. I did some changes from the documentation to make it easier. It's a temporary password, of course, and some customization here. I also changed some things to make it more fluid, and I also added these to deploy our MCP. So basically copy and paste and do some changes to according to your view. Okay, let's run this. I'm gonna just type bash setup cognito. It's gonna create the user pool there and everything that is needed. I'm gonna type out create arm execution row out create S3. I'm gonna type yes because we are gonna use auth from Cognito. We're gonna need this discover URL. Just copy and paste. Client ID, this client ID. Okay, we're gonna leave it blank, audience, and we are gonna type yes for this allow list, just to set up the authorization only, and enter. So it's creating. We're gonna type S to skip memory for this example. I also have my MCP client, and I forgot to tell you guys that the MCP servers from the documentation, just copy and paste. I did nothing, no change on it, and it was called in the script here, enter point, right? This command, the enter point, is your MCP server. But we also have from the documentation the my client remote. It's just for testing. So I did some change. I added this this piece of code, and yeah, that's it. Let's run this my client remote for testing. Okay, worked. It's calling the tools on the MCP server. I'm gonna show you guys here. My server, we have these tools as example. Want to add numbers, multiply, greet users. So what we can do here is just try it on the inspector. Let's do it. We need to get this URL, and we are gonna call this inspector by this command. npx is the official inspector, let's say, open source inspector. It's gonna open your browser. We are gonna replace the URL. We're gonna set the symbol with HTTP. Now we're gonna set the authentication. Let's get our token here. Okay, let's go there. I'm gonna remove what we have here and then just click connect. Okay, it's working. We have the tool list, the tools here. As you can see, we have 3 tools. You can just play with it as much as you want. It's just calling our server to run and get some result. As you can see, the results too. So it worked. That's all for our example, and see you in the next video. Bye.